All right. Let's go. Shiloh, ready?
Easy, too easy, too easy.
Yeah.
All right. As I say just now, right? Today's our main topic is about problem sums. All right. Mainly on internal transfer and guess and check. Later, I'll tell you what's the meaning of internal transfer. Okay. I believe you all know what is guess and check already. Hey, I want to erase the 88 years old man. Very ugly.
You don't allow us to even annotate.
I allow.
You don't.
I don't ask.
My
come,
English
ready?
teacher is better than you.
Okay, come, Shiloh. Sorry. I feel so sad. What did you just say? I want to.
Years old.
I want to cry. Okay, come, Shiloh. Are you first? Are you ready? You first, huh?
No.
Okay, let's go.
No. 17.
So slow. My goodness. It's a plus. Don't have. Vanish, your turn. Next.
No. Yeah, I thought you say plus or minus.
63.
Wait, I thought you say plus or minus.
I say include plus and minus. All right. Don't have. Shiloh, next. Your turn.
64.
Very good. 64. Good job.
I just guess.
Vanish, your turn.
Oh no. Oh no.
Ten.
Too late. All right. Must be faster. Shiloh, your turn.
35.
Very good. Vanish, please. You need to get some points here.
36.
But 36.
36. Okay, so this one you all got it, okay? So
Yeah.
is Shiloh
Who's
and Rudran is here.
Oh.
Right, Shiloh and Vanish. Okay. Rudran, are you there? Oh, I thought you went missing, Rudran. What happened to you? Are you okay?
I was taking an afternoon nap because I
That was the Vima.
You're taking afternoon nap, is it? But now you fully awake?
kind of.
Okay, very good. Okay, come, Shiloh, your turn.
Wait, but then who was the Vima?
I don't know. Shiloh, your turn.
But,
So slow. Vanish, are you there?
does that count though?
Okay, that counts. Vanish, are you there? Vanish? Vanish, are you there? Oh no, never mind.
Oh, she there.
Rudran, your turn. This time round, right, Rudran got plus, minus, times, divide. You must see. Rudran, ready?
No. Oh.
48.
48 is correct. Okay. So is Rudran and Shiloh. Okay, next one, Shiloh, back to you.
Okay. 99.
Too late. Rudran, your turn.
6.
Very good. All right. Shiloh, your turn.
7.
Very good. Rudran, your turn.
52.
Okay. All right. So as I said, there's a mixture of plus, minus, times, divide.
No.
Okay, wait, Vanish. Oh, Vanish coming back in. Aiyo. Okay, let's wait
I
for her.
think she's busy and then she's talking to her parents.
Yeah.
What background is that? Oh,
Vanish, are you there?
it's finally here.
Okay, come, Shiloh, your turn.
She's connecting to the audio.
9.
Good. Very good. Rudran, your turn.
Okay.
Sorry, my battery just switch off.
59. Okay, 59. Vanish, are you there?
I am.
Okay, come, look at this one. Very easy.
3.
Okay, so everybody got it, Rudran,
Yay.
Shiloh, and Vanish. Okay? A few more. Ready? Shiloh, back to you.
Oh no.
Which are graded via math as a fix.
10.
10. Rudran, now your turn.
Does that count though?
36.
36. Good. Vanish, we need you. Vanish, we need you.
Wait for her.
Has not changed or any limitation. So these are some files which
Okay. Everybody got it. Yeah,
Yeah.
I need you guys to be faster, understand or not? All right, every week we are doing the same thing. So please, you all have to be faster. Okay, next.
Who's going on?
Shiloh.
108.
Very good. All right, Rudran.
Uh, uh, uh,
16. Okay, and that's it. All right, Vanish, don't have ready. All right, so this time round we say okay, everybody. All right, but again next week, right? Can we have everybody to do faster now? Go and train out your mental sum, children.
But what is like the connection?
Where's the what?
The connection.
Yeah, that's the reason why I give you the point. So sometimes I know is the connection is no good. All right. Sometimes you are fast, but sometimes because of the connection, right? You all got a delayed speech and all this. That's the reason why I give some of the points out already. Okay. All right. So children, Vanish, can I have your face on the screen, please?
I don't know. My face not showing.
Okay, never mind. It's okay. So down here, right? Last week I gave the homework. I give one question as homework into the class dojo. I also give it into the 88 tuition platform. Once again, nobody is doing your homework.
Busy.
Just one question and it's very simple.
Can you see me?
I
I was very busy.
Sorry?
did the homework, but I didn't know the extra question.
There's an extra question down here. Okay, so this is very simple. Last week we discussed about this. We talked about
Can you see
grouping.
me?
All right, we talked about grouping. All right, let's take a look at this question. A store was having a promotion for curry puff. Oh my goodness, I love curry puffs. For every 4 curry puff, right? So if you buy 4 curry puff, what happen? All right, after you pay for 4, what happen? You get 1 more free, you know. Whoa! 1 free. Understand or not? All right, so if you buy 4, you get 1 free. Joe paid for 20 curry puff. Can you see not? Curry puff down here? All right, and this is what? 1 set consists of 4 curry puff. Remember what we learned last week? Last week? All right, under the important part whereby we say what? When we do a division, remember when we do a division, what must happen? Money must divide by money, correct or not? Curry puff must divide by curry puff. Is that true or not? You remember that?
True.
Manish, you remember that?
Yeah.
Yeah. So down here, right? 20 curry puff. All right. CP, stand for curry puff. Divide by what? Every packet consists of 4 curry puffs. That will result in 5 what? 5 sets. Is that okay? All right. CP stand for curry puff.
Is not present in our keys there.
Children, okay?
Why is the background so loud?
Okay, so maybe Vanish already cancel out her background already. That's good. Thank you so much. All right, so there are 5 sets. Look, children. Every 1 set you'll receive 1 free
It's
curry
not
puff,
me.
right? All right, every 1 set you'll receive 1 curry puff. 5 sets means you will receive how many free curry puff? All right, that means you'll receive 5 free curry puff. Is that okay? All right, so this question is what we have learned last week. Ken? Rudran, remember this type of question? Shiloh, okay? All right, and Vanish is underlying the free. She liked free curry puff, I know. Good job. All right, so that is the extra question. Let's go into the today's work, shall we? Okay. Okay, so under the quick notes right down here, children, can you take out your exercise book and write down some of the important notes over here, please? All right, there are some important notes I need to share with you. Do you have a exercise book?
Yeah.
All right. Or if you have the worksheet, right? If you have a worksheet, if you print out the worksheet, can you please help me write these important notes down? All right. Every lesson, there's something important for you to write down. Is that okay?
Can I take a screenshot?
Yes, you can take a screenshot later. But Vanish, can I have the screen, please? All right. I want to teach you something. All right. Later, I'll give you the chance to try some questions. Is that okay? All right. And you came in before the time. All right. So you managed to draw something just now already. So now I'm going to teach you something. Can I have the screen, please? Okay, so let's go. So down here, right, we talk about something called internal transfer on the left. So what's the meaning of internal transfer? This is very useful, children. I promise you. All right, it will be so useful for your primary 3, primary 4, primary 5, primary 6. So let's just give an example. Let's say Rudran.
Because we don't have advantage of Saturday.
Right, Rudran and let's say Bern. Is that okay?
Or 5.
No.
So what is happening?
10.
What is happening? Look here. What is happening? Vanish, what did I say just now?
You said what's happening?
No, I say, can I have the screen? Right, means that I want to do something important now. I need your focus. I need you to look at what I write and write into your exercise book. All right. Please do not annotate into my screen now because I am using the screen. Is that understood?
5 minutes is the normal execution time for the
All right. So Rudran, for example, you have $10.
2 seconds. So not
All right. And myself, I have $5. Is that okay?
last time was showing me for
What is our total? Rudran?
15.
Very good. Our total is $15. Okay. So the meaning of internal transfer, the meaning of this word internal transfer, it means what? It means that, for example, Rudran, you want to give me $2. So Rudran, if you give me $2, right? What will happen to me? I will plus $2. Is that true?
Yeah.
All right. Vanish, are you there?
Yes.
Okay, tell me. Rudran now will have how much?
He will have it.
You say $8?
Yeah.
Good. Shiloh, I will have how much?
7.
Shiloh, do you say 7?
This Vanish.
Yes, I'm asking Shiloh. So Vanish, can you please give Shiloh the chance to answer?
Only on Monday or Tuesday.
All right. So Shiloh, 5 plus 2 is 7, right?
Yeah.
Rudran, back to you. What is our total now?
15.
It's still what? It's still $15. Can you see that? Okay, one more time. All right. So now, right, after receiving $2 from you, Rudran, I feel bad. I say that no lah, I cannot be taking money from my student. So I give you back. All right, or I give you more. I give you $5. All right, and Rudran, you increase by how much?
$5.
Thank you. So at this situation, Vanish, how much will Rudran have? Vanish, how much will Rudran have?
2.
Vanish,
Is it 2?
down here Rudran got 8, right? But
No.
after I give him $5, how much will he have?
$13.
$13. Thank you so much. And Shiloh, how much will I have?
2.
$2. Thank you so much. And back to you, Rudran. What is our total again?
$15.
Can you see something? All right, this is what I call internal transfer. What's the meaning of internal? Internal, this word simply means what? Between you and me. All right, between us. All right, between us. All right, between us. All right, it's not among us, it's between us. Hello? All right, so the meaning of internal, right, means between us. And if there's an internal transfer, what do you see? Can you see that the total will remain the same? All right, the total will always remain the same. All right, this is something which you guys can actually remember. It's something very useful. Write this down. All right, total remain the same. All right. So if you have this exercise book, right, you can actually write down all these very, very simple and very important ideas.
Are
Right,
you
and
done writing?
Sorry again?
Are you done writing?
Not yet. I still want to do on the right hand side. Later, if you do the screenshot later, then do the screenshot. Wait. Right, but for those who are writing, right, can you please write this portion down? Very important, internal transfer. All right, so the meaning of internal means between the 2% or between the 3%. All right, it's possible. All right, it works for the 3% also. Can? And remember that if it's an internal transfer, the total remain the same. Is that okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Now we go into the next part. All right, the next part is something to do with something called guess and check. So on the right-hand side, this is the right-hand side. All right, there's something to do with guess and check here. So every time your teacher talk about something called guess and check, right, I will require you to open up a 5-column box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
the handover is.
All right. Shiloh, are you there? Can I have you on video?